So this is my living room. This is the winter renovation that I'm doing. And this is, you know, we're dealing with the sort of the bigger problems like the stains of the floor. We had a bunch of burn stains from the fireplace or wood stove that went here. I cut out all that wood. I put in new wood, and it's sort of like a threshold here that I had to cut out. I'm going to put a board there probably by tomorrow, and I'm going to do a second coat of paint on here. And then this is a used fireplace insert that we got on Facebook. And that's going to be installed in probably a week or so. I'm going to start sanding the floors on Saturday.
Mama, I'm hungry.
All right. Do you want a waffle?
Nope.
What do you want?
I'm not sure.
Oh, and I got an armoire that's going to hold this, so it's really going to look a lot nicer. Because this is kind of something I've had to deal with year after year, not really knowing what to do with it. So putting it inside an armoire will be a really nice solution.
Mama.
All right.